They came real slow, they went by fast. Well, just 1 week, that's all we had. Went back to work when Mom and Dad. Happy to be swimming in the sea. The seagulls yell, you're getting near. We've waited patiently all the year, and we hadn't slept a wink all night. White faces in the morning light. I see the sea, my sister cried. Yeah, seaside we soon be beside. Happy to be swimming in the sea. Down to the sand with our bucket and a spade, behind a yellowing barricade. We'd bury Dad up to his chin, and with our trunks we'd jump right in, round our waist a rubber ring, and on each arm a water wing. Happy to be swimming in the sea.
It's so cold and raining too. We'd stay all day till our lips turn blue. Only a week, it wasn't fair.
We're on holiday, 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 oh, and we don't care. In every pool, stranded by the tide, crabs and fishes under seaweed hide. We'd catch them all in a fishing net, as close to heaven as a kid could get. We'd dream of smugglers and pirate ships, lunches, ice cream, and a bag of chips. Happy to be swimming in the sea. Now to a kid of 5, that rocky shore was a magical place of tales and lore. Now the seagulls call and spoke to me. Hey, come on back to the Cornish sea. Down by the water, by the foam. Just 1 more week and I'm going home. Happy to be, happy to be